What's going on, guys? So as you guys saw in the title, this is the 6th gen headlights for the 5th gen. So I'm going to do a quick kind of look around of what the headlights come, the harness for the RS, and then I'm going to show you guys how to install these things. So first off, I'll show you how they come. They come in this big box. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, Genyon. Anyways, it's basically got this this packaging that expands when they put it in the box, so they're very well packaged. Let's see if I can get this thing out of here real quick. Set down real quick. Give you guys a quick look. So you can see exactly how they come. They have this clear protective film over top of them at first, which I'm not going to remove yet. So basically, and let me get one of these harnesses. So this is the harness for an RS to non-RS. So basically this headlight is designed for a non-RS model. However, if you do have an RS, they do have this little harness right here. Basically converts it from a D1S to a H11 bulb, and then converts back to your factory housing. So basically what it does is this plugs directly into that one, and then this will plug into your factory housing, and then you use this white wire and tap it into the white wire that's up here, and then the black wire that you see that's exposed over here, this wire will then be T-tapped into the black wire that's on this harness. That's right there. Comes with an H11 halogen bulbs. Don't recommend them. They're never really bright. They kind of suck. So in other words, I got these LED bulbs that are H11. This is what they look like. I'll leave a description or a link down in the description of where you can get these. These ones I know from Camaro ZOS, they do fit into this. So basically you're going to spin this counterclockwise until the light comes out. And then you will just unplug it. And plug the new one in. What I would do is I always just put the bulb in first. That way you know it's going to be set. So put it in, turn it clockwise, and then basically kind of route the wire down in there and plug this back up. And then route this all down there so it'll fit. And then this does fit. It does seem like it probably won't fit at first. So you kind of have to push down. You don't want to push down too hard, but you do have to push down and turn clockwise to make sure it locks. That way you get the full seal. Because if you don't get that seal, then it's not going to be waterproof, and you do not want to take off your bumper again to re-put this on. So now it's tight, doesn't come off. And as you can see, I've already got this harness wired up, except for these two wires, which I got to connect still, but that'll be easy. So next, I'll show you guys what we have to do for the car and how to install these on the car themselves. All right, guys. So once you get the car ready, what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the wheels to the right first or the left, whichever's up, whichever one you want. Let me see if I can get some light on my phone. All right, there's gonna be one bolt there, one there, and then one there. So you're gonna undo all three of those, and then there's gonna be a bolt right here behind this little thing right here by your side marker. It's gonna be right behind there. It's a 10mm bolt. You're gonna undo that. Then there's three bolts, like one here, here, and here. This one up here is a pain in the ass to get, but you're gonna do those three. And you're gonna remove this one right here, which I already have, as well as this side, and then repeat for this side. In addition to that, you're gonna want to take all these little pop pins out. I think there's 6 of them. Once you do that, bumper should come right off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the bumper off, and we'll move on from there. As you can see, we got the bumper off now. Now basically what there is to do, there's one bolt here, one here, and then there's one on the bottom as well that you'll have to take off. Once you take those 3 bolts off, the headlight just slides right out, and then I'll show you what it looks like after that. Once you get that, guys, you're just gonna take the OEM fog light bulb out of your stock headlight, move it over to your new headlight, and then all you're gonna do is just plug and play the harnesses and you should be good to go. Gonna go and hit the unlock button, just make sure it comes on. And there you go. Bulb's coming on as well, and LED strips underneath it. You can see that the blinkers still work also. So that's the old, and that's the new. Basically now you're just gonna repeat the steps in the opposite order. Just go ahead and put everything back. I'm gonna go ahead and do on that side. Once I get done with that, put the bumper back up. Go ahead, put these push pins in the top. That way it holds the bumper on. Once you do that, then you can go ahead and insert the bolts right here that are on the bumper. And from there, go ahead and do the rest of the process all the way down here. Put the bumper back on and you are good to go. So once I get done, I'll show you guys the finished product tomorrow, because currently it is about 11 o'clock. So I'll show you guys tomorrow what the finished product looks like. Got the bumper back on. Don't have it fully bolted yet, but man, look at these lights. Whew. Look at those. They look so clean. As you can see, I did modify my grill a little bit, my Heritage grill. I did cut this piece there and that piece there. That way it didn't interfere with that line. Overall, I can't really tell unless you really look at it, but man, these things look good. What's going on, guys? So a little update the next morning. Went ahead, washed the car, got the headlights on last night as you guys saw, and this is what they look like. Super clean looking. I'll go ahead and turn the actual headlights themselves on. There you go. One of the first 6th gen headlights on the 5th gen, or 6th gen style I should say. Not too many of them out yet, or on cars that I've seen. So one of the first, but here they are. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. That way we can get this video spread. Thanks, guys.